Hi, and a very good afternoon to everybody of the dental community. My name is Ulrich Becht, and my company is producing disinfecting liquids, which we now take to China to improve the hygiene in the dental office. Our key product number one are disinfecting wipes. With and without alcohol. You just take one of these convenient sized wipes and you start wiping all small surfaces, like for instance the handles of your lamp, both sides of course, but also to disinfect the hand pieces, which are also very contaminated by the saliva of the patient.